made it to Philadelphia. So this is my third time coming to this place, trying to catch a snakehead. So let's see how we're doing this time. This time I come with my girlfriend. I think she's gonna give me good luck. As far as she's not fighting with me all day, I'm gonna be fine. Finally, I made it to the place where I want to catch a snakehead, but I think it's not going to be too easy. Somebody fishing on the bicycle. We're like going to start in this point because there is not too much access to this place. We're going to start with the frog. Placa. Por ahí está un lugarcito bien. Ah, puta, está lleno de agua. Vi que algo se movió por allá. Mira, flaca. Sí. Tíralo en aquella orilla, mira. Ay. Do you know where is the best player in this water to catch a snakehead?
Years ago, there was tons of them. They ain't
Really?
like it used to be, man. I've been here 50 years. Snakehead, you don't get them that more. You don't get them that much. Years ago, we catch tons of them big ones, 8, 9, 10 pounds. You don't get them. Maybe catch them over on the Jersey side in Deptford.
Jersey side.
Deptford. That's where I catch big ones.
Oh, but how get I come from New York. This is my third time coming to this place, but didn't even see any snakehead in this place.
This place is going down, like the bass fishing is going down. A lot of people taking all the bass. They take
Yeah.
it needs to be good. On snake and bass. It's going downhill, this place.
So where is the place you say that there is in the Jersey side,
Yeah,
Newton Lake?
There's tidal creeks that come off the river over there. They get big snakehead over there.
It's the same like Newton Creek?
Yeah, they probably go in there, all different spots they got.
Yeah. But the snakehead,
Yeah, they ain't here
they
like
found
this.
some snakehead in the
I
central
caught
park.
one little. You don't catch them here like this. People go online. That was years ago. We catch. One time I caught 165 in 1 year. One time I had 50 something in 3 days. That's over. That's over. That's over. The old days.
The other pond, the other side.
Yeah, that was loaded. That's where I caught 50 something. I could have caught more if I had to go home. That was loaded. Now there's small ones. Then you might get one over there, small one.
Yeah.
But it ain't what it used to be. Long way. Yeah, people go on a computer. They hear, oh, Roosevelt Park. You don't care. It's over them days.
Yeah, maybe the water looks very bad in this place also.
Yeah, this water.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the Jersey side.
Oh, you got to
Maybe
yeah,
I can-
Jersey over in Deptford, West Deptford. There's different. You got to know the spots. There's little creek spots, but here, this place going down.
Yeah. Okay, man. Thank you. I think I'm gonna go back to the Jersey side. Let's see. Maybe I have some luck over there.
Yeah, down over in Deptford.
Maybe finally I meet one of those monsters.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right.
Take care.
They stole your bike then?
Con uno que me pique, con uno chiquitito. Para que no sea por gusto la venida hasta aquí. ¡Uy! 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 Se le tiró uno. Ya lo vi dónde está. Este día es mi última oportunidad. ¡Oh! ¡Got one! I got one! ¡Finally! Finally! Yeah, baby! This is what I'm talking about. Snakey!
Ew. ¡Qué feo!
This
A ver,
is
una foto. No, no,
my
no.
first ever snakehead. This is what I came from New York to catch one of those. This guy is poor muscle right there. Look at that. Look at that. Crush my bait.
Sonreí, güey.
Ah! Una más.
Parece pura serpiente.
Beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at those teeth right there. This is my first time having a snakehead. I've been dreaming about this, to catch this fish like 4 years now, almost 5. And thanks to some of my friend Leo Shen from Extreme Field Fishing, he gave me some tips, and finally I get one of these before the season starts to change on a throw, because after in the fall may be a little difficult to catch on the throw. And I don't know, this is the only place that I can catch one of these, and I'm supposed to kill one of these things. That's what the people think, but I'm not going to kill it because I don't want to waste any fish life. This is beautiful. To me, this is something awesome. And I'm not going to kill it because I'm not going to eat it. If I'm going to eat it, well, that may be another history. But I'm not going to eat nothing from this water. I'm the FDR Park, and I'm going to release this guy because he was already living here, and I'm not the one who put this guy in this place. So he's going back to the water, and I hope I catch another one. Somebody think that is wrong? I don't think so, because if I kill a fish, that is not going to help at all to keep the balance. They are not doing any damage. Maybe the people are doing more damage than the fish. So this is so fun. I'm going to keep doing it. 1, Oh, oh, oh. Jue puta. Oh, oh. Holy shit. Dos veces me tiró el hijo de puta. There's a fish. The fish right there. Just hit the water when he to my baby. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. But I take it. Maybe the place is full with babies like this one.
No tan así.
Wow. My girlfriend thinks that this is an ugly fish. But it's not ugly, it's beautiful. Oh, 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 oh.
Vaya, vaya, vaya. Por Dios.
It looks like a fucking snake running into the water. There is in the water. Fucking fish. See? That way a lot of people think the worst about the fish. He just slipped out of my hand and made it to the water by itself, right there. I got two little ones in the FDR park, and there looks like there's a lot of fish over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a huge, huge blow right there. Catch anything?
I had one. It dove down into the grass. And pulled up all
Here
this
park.
Yeah.
And I caught two baby ones. The first time I've been trying to catch one for like at least 5 years now.
Yeah.
Finally today I caught two little ones.
Yeah, Newton
But-
Lake too.
Um,
Good spot.
yeah, I think the next time I'm gonna bring my kayak.
Yeah, a lot of guys, man, they bring their kayaks.
Yeah, but I saw the like two the street down here in the dead end. I get the blow, but I never saw something like that in my life in fresh water, man, like an alligator. I saw the head like this big.
He saw it. You saw the thing came up. The whole head came out of the water. This is all the grass that I drug in. That he went down into the weeds, and I thought I had him, but it was all grass on the end of my line. It just dug down and
Yeah,
that was
I'm in two places, but nothing. So I think I'm gonna come back another day. My girlfriend gets desperate, so we gotta go home.
catch. I was out on a boat yesterday in this lake. My buddy caught a 5
Oh, there is one.
5-pound bass. They're carp.
Oh, carp.
A lot of carp are in there.
Hey, I
Tons
still
of
saw a fish swimming, Daddy.
Yeah, there's carp in it. They get on my nerves because they make you think that
Yeah.
it's snakehead.
A lot of people talk a lot of trash about the snakehead. They think that they are too dangerous, but I don't think so. I don't know.
I don't think so either.
Yeah,
My buddy got one yesterday right here. He got like a 6-pound one. We put it back in.
I didn't came after the last year because yeah, I came once last year, but to the Middle Lake in the FDR park, that field side.
Yeah.
But I didn't know any place. I came to the Newton Lake, but that was like 2 hours. We didn't see nothing. So, but I know now. I know that there is a lot of snakehead over here.
Yeah,
I traveled all the way to Florida 5 years ago to try to catch one, and I didn't catch nothing because it was winter.
campground.
Oh, okay.
Big area.
Exit 21 and the
Exit
95.
295. Yeah.
Right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna try one more time the place that I saw that big one, and then I gotta go home. Right, man. Thank you. Have a good one. Okay, my day is almost over, the fishing day, and I'm 2 hours driving from my house. So, but everything pay off. I caught 2 little ones, 2 baby in the FDR park, but I saw this place has a big snakehead. I saw one blowing my throat. That scared me because that was the biggest blow that I never seen in my life. I'm gonna come back with my kayak and my body, and I think I'm gonna try to catch huge one, and maybe gonna hit the place that this gentleman just tell me about it. So let's see, maybe next time I'm gonna stop one more time, and because my girlfriend inside the car is very desperate and I gotta go home.